Here I have LENOVO TAB M8, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. First, let's turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it completely turns off, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time like this. So you just hold these buttons until you enter this other menu. So here at this menu you should select, you should press volume down just once to enter Fastboot mode. And as you can see, small letters here indicating that we're in the Fastboot mode. So when you're done using Fastboot, to restart your device, just hold down power key plus volume down to force power off device. And after device force power offs, hold down power key once again to turn it back on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.